I have a box from IPSY, and I believe this is my January Glam Bag. Oh, it's clear. So it looks like I have a collagen mask and a hyaluronic acid mask. I have a firmabeauty.com brush, Firma 403, kind of a thin plastic bag. January 2021. Dream it. New month, new year, pew, the sky's the limit. When you start small, trim here, bold lip there, your grandest glow goals will be within reach. So I like this, that it tells you on this little card what's inside your package, because I make notes on this about how I like the products. So we have a round blending brush for eyeshadow, the 2 masks, salmon cream. Ooh, I hope it doesn't smell like fish. Fingernail polish, just painting my nails, and a toner with AHA. Seems like quite a lot. So this is the nail polish. I think it's kind of a basic brown. Yeah, I don't really like glittery nail polishes. What I'm wearing is OPI, Cajun shrimp, which is my favorite. But I'll try this. Have the salmon cream. Let's see if this smells like salmon. Okay, that's good. It doesn't smell like fish. It smells quite nice. It smells kind of orangey. And the power toner. Ooh, it's got kind of something on the bottle. Looks kind of thick. I've been wondering if OPI nail polish is killing my nails, so I'll give them a break. Try this for a while. So that's my Glam Bag for January. I don't remember what this is. Ordered something extra. To you, from you. I like that. Oh, okay. A big container of hair mask. Yeah, I think this is a hair kit, because my hair is like wonky lately. It's sealed. It smells kind of old ladyish. Oh, I just used the last of my dry shampoo today. 12 Benefits Dry Clean Invisible Oil Absorbing Dry Shampoo. That's always handy. And a Better Natured Deep Conditioning Balm. It smells really mild. And a leave-in conditioner, Coconut Shea. I don't really like, ooh, that cap wasn't on good. I don't really like the smell of coconut. It smells like coconut suntan lotion. But I do use leave-in conditioners on like a very small comb to tame down my flyaways. So I'll see if I can stand the smell. And there's my January hair care kit. I literally just washed my hair and finished with spa night, so I put about that much on my hand. I'm going to put it in the back. Yeah, it smells like suntan lotion stuff. I just don't really like that smell, but this, you can smell the fermentation in it, but it goes on, it tingled a little bit, but it feels so good on my skin. My skin feels smooth and clean. It's not tacky or sticky or anything like that. And this, put it under my neck, it smells amazing. I was afraid it was going to smell like fish, but it smells so good and clean. So my face and neck feel really good right now. I'm going to try this mask first today. Simple instructions: leave on for 15 to 20 minutes and pull off, rub in the extra into the skin, no need to rinse. Simple instructions: apply the mask, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, pull it off, take the remaining essence and pat into skin, no need to rinse. These are not my favorite things to do, but I have it, so I might as well use it, right? Pretty thick. I've had masks that I've used before that didn't feel this saturated. I think there's actually still some product left in the pouch that I could just rub onto my skin later. My friend Rachel was the very first person who ever had me to use one of these. A little weird. Oh, it's cold. I'm generally not a fan of masks because they're just kind of cumbersome and icky. Oh, it's very cold. Also, most masks are for hydrating, and my skin is already pretty oily, so they're probably not putting in what I need. Of course, it'd be on the back side. Boo. These are so weird. It is so cold. I actually got busy and left it on for about 30 minutes. Feels good. This feels like a heavy serum that's forced to stay on your skin. Like a moist mask. I like it. There was actually enough product left in this that I took it and rubbed it over some other areas on my body that I'm not going to show you on video. But hey, get the most out of it, right? I'm not very adventuresome when it comes to fingernail polish. I found one that I like by OPI called Cajun Shrimp. My nails are terrible. I've got video reviews up of things that I've tried, but I guess they're just what they are. Let's try this mask. Again, a lot of product. I'm actually going to squeeze some back in here and use it later. Check in the comments below the video as well as in the text below the video, and I'll share my link in case you want to try IPSY for yourself or someone else. It helps me out a little bit. This fingernail polish is a no for me. I don't have good coverage. It's streaky. I don't like glittery stuff, and I don't like this color. I'm not a rose gold type of person. So I'll give this to my mother to see if she likes it. I actually took a little piece here because it was really long and cut it and put it over my nose because it didn't quite fit my nose. But I think I'm going to heat these up with a blow dryer before I use them again. But they have a lot of product on them. They feel good. There's a lot left on here that I can use to rub on my neck and other places. Feels good. Look, there's that much product left in the bottom of this. So I'm going to seal it up and use that as a toner or something else later on. Not waste anything. I washed my hair and towel dried it, put this on there and left it on for 10 minutes. This is just a blow dry. It's not flat ironed or styled, just blow dried. It did leave it very manageable. It seemed like it blow dried a little bit faster, which is surprising. Usually with heavy conditioners, it takes it longer, but it smells like old lady stuff, kind of like a rose type scent, so I'm not wild about that, but my hair feels great. And I'm looking forward to seeing what it looks like tomorrow when I put a styling tool to it. So, it does feel silky. The Better Nature conditioner was fine. It just really was like a normal conditioner, but by the end of the day, my hair really had a lot of static flyaway. So when I was brushing it at the end of the day, it made my hair feel okay, but I had all that static flyaway, so I wouldn't buy this. The Silky conditioner was awesome. Even though it had a really strong old lady scent, my hair felt great for days. And I don't even have to use as much as I showed you in the video. I would probably buy this again. It's that good. The coconut conditioner, yeah, it was okay. The dry hairspray, I've had better. And then I just told you about the Better Nature. For my IPSY kit, the masks were okay. I'm just not a mask fan. The little brush, I really like that a lot. The salmon cream is amazing. It was by far the best product in here. And then the little serum, I liked it as well. Check in the text below and in the comment section, and I'll try to provide links in case you're interested in trying some of these products. Thank you for watching. If you have time before you go, watch another video and consider subscribing to my channel.